Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So today we're going to be doing a really fun ice block color experiment. So I'm going to show you what you need. Go get your goodies, wash your hands and come back. Alright, so you need 3 glasses, you need a jug of water. Then I've put all my stuff on some towels to mop up any spills. Then you need 2 yellow ice blocks, 2 red ice blocks, and 2 blue ice blocks. So quick sticks, go get your goodies and come back to me. Alright. Okay, so we have 3 primary colors: yellow, red, and blue. Now those 3 colors can be used to make new colors, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to make those new colors. So first thing you do, you're going to very carefully pour your water into your 3 glasses. Alright. Go. So now we've got our water. Then you're going to pop 1 ice block of every color into the glass. Just trying to remember which order I'm going to put these ice blocks in. Okay, so now we have yellow water, red water, and blue water. So now we're ready to see what colors we can make together. So let's see what yellow and red make. What do you think yellow and red make? Let's have a look and see what happens. Let's give it a mix around. What color is it turning? To me, it looks like it's turning orange. So yellow and red make orange. Then, what color do you think red and blue make? Let's have a look and see. Oops. Give it a mix, give it a mix. Let me use the back of the paintbrush to stir this. You can't really see on the video, but this is actually turning into like a strange purple color. Oh, let's give it a few moments to see. And what color do you think blue and yellow make? Let's have a look and see. Shall we? Hey, what color is that? This color's worked out the best. Blue and yellow make green. Isn't that interesting? The red was a very strong red, so this is now, let me see. This is now gone red because it's almost too strong next to the yellow. And then the blue is slowly starting to melt, so it's getting more and more purple. See, sometimes with experiments they work and sometimes they do. So that's the whole point of an experiment. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please could you let me know if yours actually changed different colors, because I see here mine's going more orange the more the yellow melts. So it's now diluting the red a bit. And this is slowly going purple, but what happened was, let me see, I'll take it out and I'll show you. Whoops, they're stuck together. But you can see the ice blocks, the food coloring separated. So I have to wait until both the red and the blue melt to see the purple properly. But the green worked out fantastically. So let me know how yours turns out, please. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye!